Yeah, and then I saw this at the website for the Boston Police Department. Mayor Menino testifies before Joint Committee on Public Safety and Homeland Security. Okay, so the mayor asked the committee for its support on 2 key policies, bringing Massachusetts into compliance with the National Instant Criminal Background Check System, okay, NICS. Bill H3256, filed by Representative Aaron Mikowitz, would bring Massachusetts into compliance with NICS. Currently, Massachusetts does not transmit mental health records of those who have been deemed a danger to themselves or others, which would prevent those individuals from purchasing a gun. You know, right away, I was like, okay, well, you know, having a mental health history does not make you a criminal. And also, I mean, if you think about all the times that I've been in mental hospital over the past year, actually over the past 2 years, since the fall of 2010, I mean, the constant lying that was done to me and about me in the mental hospital, you know, it's not like that's actually unusual for mental patients to be lied about and lied to when they're in the mental hospital. I mean, it is part of healthcare that has standards which are much worse than most of healthcare, because it's so subjective, and it's treated like it's just not that important, and the patients are abused a lot, really abused a lot, and there's the unbelievable grotesque lies that have been told about me in mental hospitals, you know, and the way that I was treated and the way that I was harassed and stalked. I mean, like I would be stalked by workers. You know, they would run after me to like cough at me, or they'd cough outside my room at night and that sort of thing. You know, it's awful. It's awful, right? And the fact that I've been videotaped in hospitals, you know, in hospital bathrooms, that sort of thing. I mean, it's just, there's crimes happening in mental hospitals all the time. You know, and it just and for someone to just decide, okay, so one of these practitioners to just decide, I'm going to say you're a danger to yourself or others, and then have your mental health history transmitted somewhere. You know, how it is I feel about gun control, you know, I guess I'm not entirely sure. I don't know that I think, you know, regular people need to have access to assault weapons. And yet at the same time, if the Army has assault weapons, the idea is that people are supposed to be able to defend themselves in case the government turns on them, which is kind of happening, to be honest with you. And then I checked out these people. This is NICS, National Instant Criminal Background Check System, mandated by the Brady Handgun Violence Prevention Act of 1993 to instantly determine whether a prospective buyer is eligible to buy firearms or explosive. To make sure that they don't have a criminal record or isn't otherwise ineligible, leading to more than 700,000 denials. But then it's like all this stuff, yeah, stuff just promoting crime. They're promoting crime, promoting child molestation, and seeming also, you know, again, right? Here's Zac Efron, and then acting like I'm a bad person and Emma Watson isn't.